I decided not to wait for Frankfurt to be taken, because both Frankfurt and London printed candles with long wicks, and the ES had already taken the Frankfurt low, giving us clear SMT divergence. Based on that, I entered the market with one long position from the 1-minute bullish fair value gap. However, NQ decided to go lower and take the Frankfurt low as well. My bullish fair value gap flipped into an inversion fair value gap, and the market stopped me out for a loss of minus $190. My second entry came after London swept the sell-side liquidity and Frankfurt low. According to my strategy, the market printed a bearish 1-minute candle and formed a bearish fair value gap, which immediately turned into an inversion fair value gap. That's where I entered a long position with one contract. But once again, NQ decided to punish me. My third entry followed the exact same strategy, but this time I felt much more confident that the setup would give me at least a 1-to-1 return, and potentially a 1-to-2.5 reward. The logic behind this entry came from the daily chart. The previous day had a large upper wick, so I measured that wick using Fibonacci levels and marked out the 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% zones. Price created a lower low into the 75% retracement level of the previous day's wick, tapped that level perfectly, and then pushed upward into a 1-minute bearish fair value gap, which flipped into an inversion fair value gap. According to my strategy, once the bearish fair value gap becomes an inversion fair value gap, I look for a long entry. I entered with one lot, and the price immediately showed bullish intent. Before moving higher, the candle left a small wick to the downside, which signaled a chance to add to my position. I bought another lot, holding a total of 2 long contracts, confident that the price would reach my take profit. At this point, I had a strict rule in mind: only 3 losing trades are allowed per day. If I had taken a loss on this position, it would have been my last attempt of the day. Whenever I have previous losses, my next entry is usually focused on simply bringing the day back to break even. This long position had one purpose: to recover the earlier 2 losses, and ideally finish the day with a small profit. My take profit target was set exactly to cover the previous drawdown, nothing more.